Vehicle warning lights serve as critical safety systems. Two of the most important are the oil pressure and oil level warning lights, each indicating different but serious engine conditions. The oil pressure warning light is the more critical of the two. It indicates insufficient oil circulation pressure, typically below 5 to 10 psi at idle. This demands immediate attention as it can cause catastrophic engine damage within minutes. The oil level warning light signals low oil quantity in the oil pan. While less immediately critical than pressure loss, it still requires prompt attention and usually activates when oil is 1 to 2 quarts below the recommended level. Understanding oil pressure is crucial for engine protection. Oil pressure ensures proper lubrication reaches all engine components. When pressure drops too low, metal parts can grind against each other without protection. Normal oil pressure typically ranges from 0.3 to 0.7 mech per hour when the engine is running. Watch what happens when pressure drops to dangerous levels. Oil level monitoring works differently. Modern vehicles use sensors in the oil pan to measure the actual quantity of oil available for circulation. When oil level drops significantly, the warning activates. Unlike pressure warnings, you typically have more time to address oil level issues, but they should not be ignored. Modern vehicles feature advanced monitoring systems that go far beyond simple warning lights. These smart systems analyze driving conditions, engine temperature, and oil quality degradation. These advanced systems provide real-time pressure readings, analyze oil quality, and can even predict maintenance needs. They integrate with vehicle health management systems to provide detailed diagnostics and reduce false alarms by approximately 40%. Understanding these warning systems helps drivers respond appropriately to different oil-related issues. Oil pressure warnings require immediate engine shutdown, while oil level warnings allow time for safe diagnosis and repair. Oil warning lights have 5 primary causes. Understanding these causes helps you respond appropriately and avoid costly engine damage. Oil leaks account for 35% of oil warning cases. These occur when gaskets deteriorate, seals fail, or the oil pan gets damaged. Look for dark spots under your parked vehicle. Oil consumption issues cause 25% of warnings. Worn piston rings, deteriorated valve seals, and turbocharger problems allow oil to burn in the combustion chamber. Sensor malfunctions cause 20% of false warnings, while oil pump problems account for 15%. Modern diagnostic tools can quickly identify these electrical versus mechanical issues. When an oil pressure warning appears, follow this critical response protocol. Your immediate actions can prevent thousands of dollars in engine damage. Step 2. Check the actual oil level using the dipstick. Wait at least 5 minutes after turning off the engine to allow oil to settle in the pan for an accurate reading. Step 3. Inspect for visible leaks around the vehicle. Look under the car for fresh oil spots and check around the engine bay for wet areas or oil residue. Step 4. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Modern vehicles store error codes that can pinpoint whether the issue is mechanical or electrical. Remember, oil pressure warnings require immediate action. Continuing to drive with low oil pressure can destroy your engine in minutes. When in doubt, call for professional help rather than risk catastrophic damage.